How y'all doing? This is like the last day for me. I'm going to come back at home after like 21 days, 22 days. So I'm waiting for my driver to arrive right now, and going to miss my baby daughter though. It's going to be a hard trip for me because I'm going to miss them a lot. That's my stuff, and my flight is at 4:30 from Mumbai. Alright, so this is the goodbye. It's like 9 o'clock right now. It's 8:30, and I'm gonna be at a Mumbai airport right now, like 1:30 or something like that. Beton bye bye keh do. I'll thank you. Bye bye Betu. Chalo bye. Bye bye. Bye Betu. Alright, chalo bye. Maliye. Chal bye. Maliye. Okay. Bye. Okay, so abhi kya hoga? The thing is that I have decided to change my bag because I have two bags, one for laptop and one for camera. So I'm going to put everything in one bag. I am here at Navsari. DVS is waiting for me. I'm going to say bye to him and then I'll change my bag and everything. So DVS helped me a lot. Thank you DVS. I have packed everything. ये bag और ये bag, ये दोनों bag change कर दिया है and now I'm going. Bye. Okay. That was quick man. 5 minutes में पूरा सब डाल दिया, सब change कर दिया. और अभी हम लोग straight away getting good vibes about this. Timing में चल रहे हैं. This vlog is coming from somewhere really good. Again I'm telling you guys. Oh man. Okay. और कुछ है नहीं, वो भी एयरपोर्ट पे जाके मैं चालू करूँगा ब्लॉग. It's really hard to speak in public, you know. थोड़ा धीरे बोलना पड़ता है इधर क्योंकि पब्लिक लोग कोई बोलते नहीं है. So okay, so quick update, a flight is delayed. As you can see here, I just got a message. It's delayed. It's now 5:30 instead of 4:30. I hope I reach there on time. इसके बाद वाला जो दूसरा फ्लाइट है ना, वो आई गेस उधर से 10:30 को है. तो मैं 7:30 को पहुंच जाऊंगा, तो भी मेरे पास 2 घंटे बचेंगे. तो देखते हैं उधर जाके क्या होता है. Alright, after waiting for like 2 hours, finally the flight is here. It's still 15 minutes late and I'm running really on time. Like seriously, the other flight is on like exactly आधे घंटे के बाद मेरे को कैच करना पड़ेगा. तो उधर जाके इतना दौड़ूंगा मैं. I don't think मैं ब्लॉग कर पाऊँगा इन्हें, but I'll try. So now I'm boarding in. So that's the passage for Air India. और अभी it's exactly 5:30 right now and I'm going in. So let's see. Let's hope for the best. Alright, so I've just reached at Bengaluru and right now I'm just running so hard to get all my bags and everything. And it's 8 o'clock right now. And next flight is exactly at 10:30. So I have to check in and everything within like an hour or something. So it's going to be really hard. I'm just running to take my bags. Let's see what happens. Come on. I hope the bag will come as soon as possible. It's so hard when airport traveling and timing and everything. You have to worry about all the stuff that you have to do before going to different terminal and airports. I think my bag is coming now. Okay, so I made it on time. I am on the gate of Emirates right now and I'm going to check in now. It's exactly on spot, man. I've got like exact spot. It's traffic already. I think I'm on time, but let's see if I get the customs clear yet. पहला वाला होगा शायद, दूसरा वाला होगा 21-55 वाला. 21 हाँ 21-55 ये रहा. वो तो चलेगा. ना डालो वॉच खोलो. वॉच रिंग कहाँ पे रखा है? हाँ ये. Okay. I seriously don't believe I just pulled that off. It's like what 9:20 right now and I have finished up with the customs declaration of my camera. I have passed the security and I have done all the immigration check and everything. I've got the boarding pass, but I won't show you where I'm going till. So stay tuned. As soon as I sit in the flight, I'll give you guys the update of where I'm going. Yeah, I came in that plane or not. it is super cold where I am right now, and right now I'm in Washington DC. I'm in USA. If you guys don't know, that's where I'm living. And I hope you like the video. I couldn't shoot much because of the battery issue as well as the card and everything. I was so jet lagged and everything. I got like 36 hours straight flight. 36 घंटे फ्लाइट किया है भाई. 36 घंटा में मैंने क्या कुछ नहीं किया. सोया हूँ, मूवी देखा है, प्लेन में बैठा हूँ, प्लेन चेंज किया है, गाड़ी चेंज की है, सब कुछ किया. तो that's what happened. And the weather is really good here. It's not hot, it's cold, so I'm wearing my hoodie. And I'm loving what I am seeing so far. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like karo, share karo. Bye bye.